Guys, and welcome to another tutorial on Amodiy's YouTube channel. Today's tutorial will be focusing on the sewing part of our last tutorial video, which is this one. If you've not watched it yet, kindly go back. Most of the measurements were taken there, as that was the cutting video and this is the sewing tutorial. So like I said, I finally got my fabric. I have here 2.5. I folded it here. I'll go and notch my center line. This is about 36, so I'll be cutting at 27. Now around neckline was 26, so I'm cutting at 27 for half inch joining at the center front, or 27.5 to be on the safe side. So I have another fabric here. This is for my sleeves. This is for the neckline. I'm folding this so I get my midline, and I'll iron so as to get my notch. This fabric is thick. You can decide to leave it as it is, or you interface it with paper stay. So I'll be interfacing this fabric with light paper stay because it's already thick enough. I'll interface it on the wrong side of the fabric. After doing that, it's slightly thicker than before, so I'll iron it again to get my new center point, so that I'll match the midpoint of this neckline to the center back neckline. My center back neckline is already folded in, so I'll just notch it a bit slightly, and then I'll take this for this point and this point and sew my half inch. This is my shoulder line now. I will place my fabric around the neckline. This is my shoulder line. When I get to this point now, I've notched the fabric diagonally, right? I also notch this point diagonally so that when I'm sewing, it will be easy to bend the fabric. It will be able to move the fabric into the direction I want it to go. So I'll cut it diagonally here, as you can see. Diagonally as well. So I'll also pin like I illustrated earlier. When you get to this side, it's easy for you to fold your fabric. It's easy for you to fold your fabric this way at the center front. So I'll go to the sewing machine now to join it. Just be patient while doing it, and then you sew straight. After turning it, now successfully turned it, you sew it straight with your 1 inch, with your half an inch, and then you lock. So you see, this is what we have at this edge here. This is what we have. So you go and press this corner very well. So we've done this for the first side. You go and iron out this point here, this corner, and so I would go and be pinning round for the second side of our neckline. This is the part of notch. This is the one side. So I'll pin this other piece. I'll pin this other piece around the front to come over like this. So now I'll go ahead to iron my. I'll go ahead now to iron the neckline, the new neckline. You can also decide to top stitch around here so your fabric stays in place, like with a really tiny stitch. So head now to go and join the sides. At this point, I have attached my inner waist belt on this side. As you can see, if you measure from one belt here to the other belt, you're having 18 inches, like I said, 18 inches. So this is what you tie behind. And that is the end of the tutorial, the sewing version of this tutorial. As you can see, I went ahead to attach the sleeves. The inner belt is tied at this point, the neckline, everything attached and ironed. Kindly make sure you press your seam at every point in time. Because of the nature of this fabric, it's looking a bit rumpled because it's on the mannequin. I've tied the belt. As you can see, that is where the belt has been tied from inside, and that's why you're getting this effect. So if you've watched this video up to this point, thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed yet, kindly do so. Also share and comment on this video if you found it useful. Thank you so much for sticking by. See you on our next tutorial. Bye bye.